Hello class, Mr. Stone here. The problem they gave us today is a rectangle has an area of 84 centimeters. Its breadth, which is the width, is 7 centimeters. Find the lengths. What I did above there, I put all the different formulas for, what a square is and what a rectangle is, a circle, a triangle, for the areas. These are things you should kind of try to memorize or learn them as best you can. Okay, sometimes on a test, they'll give you a formula sheet. Other times they won't, okay? But you'll have to judge that's how the teacher teaches and, what you have to learn. What I usually do or advise, like the start of a test, if you had to memorize these and the teacher expects you to know them all, is when the test is starting, you know what you were studying that week or whatever, or the month or the semester. Sit down and, write it. The square. The rectangle, the circle, you just write, area equals pi r square. You write these down as fast as you can on your scratch piece of paper after the test starts. And at least that way, during the test, if you come across a circle, hey, you can go back and look, oh yeah, here's what it is. You don't have to recall it out of your memory then because you might not remember because you've been thinking of all these other things. Okay, so you get the rectangle, and what they say there is length, area, equals length times width. Now, I like to write a dot for the times signal sign. Up here in this formula, they wrote an X. The reason I don't like to write the X is later on when you're doing variables, X is one of the most popular variables they use. So if you get in the habit of using the dot for the time signal, you're probably better off the earlier you do that. Okay, so let's just rewrite this a little bit, okay? That way we get the answer on the other side. I kind of like always having the answer on the right-hand side. Okay, so we get the length, we don't know, so it's L times 7 equals 84. Okay, that's the same thing, correct? Okay, so now what you got to do, you got to divide both sides by 7. Because what you do with one side, you got to do to the other, because I want to get the L by itself, okay? So let's see, these two 7s cross out. 84 divided by 7 is 12. So the length equals 12. Let's see, is 12 one of the answers they give us? Yes, it is. I see it right up there. Let's see, I'm going to pick that one. Okay, color that in. Okay, that's my answer. So I'm going to square it all off so the teacher knows, hey, this is my answer. And did you see how I showed the work and everything? A lot of times teachers like to see that if you get enough space. If it's just a multiple choice test and you just, they're collecting them by machine, you're just going to have to color in the dot for the 12. But aside from that, that's all there was to this. Okay, if you like this video, give a thumbs up. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. It'll help my YouTube ratings. And remember what I always say is math can be fun. Have a great day. Thank you.